Hello friends, welcome to a new month. So today we are going to be having 5 cardio exercises for beginners. So the first is marching in place. So you can bring your legs out like this or you march like this. So whichever one. We are going to do this for a minute. The second is jumping jacks. So do jumping jacks, stand, and then you're going to jump. As you jump, we open the legs, and then we take the hands over to the head. Okay, so like this. Okay, so let's go in a slow motion for 4. All right, so once you get the rhythm, then you can increase your pace. So let's go for 10. Easy, right? The third one is high knees. This time around we are raising our legs, but we are not jumping like this. So you can stabilize your body by placing your hands on your waist like this, or you stretch out your arms like this, and then you try to reach out your knees towards it. So once you have mastered it, if you like, you can also increase the tempo. Breathe in and out to regulate your heartbeat again. Let's go for the fourth. The fourth is step touch. We are moving side by side, and then we add our arms to it. So if you like, you can do this. Okay, anyhow, they just go side by side. You can even do this. And then if you like, you can do this. Next is butt kick. We are bending our knees backward towards our butt. So let's start slowly. And then we can add our arms to it. Good job. So that is all for our beginners cardio. So you can do this for 3 rounds. Once you have completed the 5, rest. Okay, breathe in and out, and then repeat all over again. So you can do each for a minute. And if you consistently do this, you are going to burn calories every day, and then you are going to trim down and be fit. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are yet to. Like, share. I'll see you again in another workout section. Bye.